Listen close because what I am about to tell you will change the way you eat forever. Food prices are exploding. Eggs, meat, vegetables, everything is up 30, 40, 50% in the last 3 years alone. And it is not coming down. But here is the secret the system does not want you to know. You can grow your own food. Better food. Tastier food. For pennies. Even if you live in a tiny apartment. Even if you have never grown a single thing in your life. Even if all you have is a windowsill or a balcony. You are about to learn exactly how. Step by step. No fluff. No expensive equipment. Just results. First, understand this. You do not need land. You do not need fancy hydroponics that cost thousands. You need 3 things and 3 things only. Light, water, and the right plants that grow like crazy. Rule number 1. Start with the fastest, easiest, most expensive foods to buy. Lettuce. A single head at the store costs $4, $5, $6 now. You can grow unlimited lettuce in 30 days for less than 50 cents. Here is how. Take any plastic container, yogurt cups, takeout boxes, anything with holes poked in the bottom. Fill it with cheap potting soil or even used coffee grounds mixed with dirt. Sprinkle lettuce seeds on top, barely cover them, keep moist, put in a sunny window. In 7 days you see green. In 30 days you are eating salad every single day for free. Cut the leaves, they grow back 2 more times. 1 packet of seeds, $1, feeds you for months. Rule number 2. Grow microgreens. This is the highest ROI plant on planet Earth. Microgreens sell for $20 to $50 per pound at the grocery store. You grow them in 10 to 14 days. Sunflower, pea shoots, radish, broccoli. Same method, trays, soil, seeds, light. 1 tray on your counter produces 2 to 3 pounds every 2 weeks. That is hundreds of dollars saved or even sold at farmers markets. People pay premium for living food and you become the supplier. Rule number 3. Tomatoes. The king of flavor and the queen of savings. Cherry tomatoes indoors or out. 1 plant gives you hundreds of tomatoes. Start them now in a 5-gallon bucket or grow bag, $12 bag on Amazon lasts years. Use free fertilizer, banana peels, eggshells, coffee grounds, grass clippings. Put that bucket by your sunniest window or on the balcony. In 60 to 80 days you are eating tomatoes that taste like candy. 1 plant saves you $200 minimum per season. 10 plants and you never buy tomatoes again. Rule number 4. Herbs. Basil, mint, cilantro, parsley. A tiny packet of basil at the store is $5 and dies in a week. Grow it once on your windowsill and you harvest fresh leaves for years. Basil grows so fast you cannot keep up. Pinch the top and it doubles. Same with mint, put it in water and it roots in 7 days. Free mojitos, free pesto, free everything. Rule number 5. The potato trick that blows minds. Take 1 old potato sprouting in your pantry. Cut it into chunks with eyes. Bury in a trash bag or bucket with soil. In 90 days you harvest 10 to 20 pounds of potatoes from 1 single spud. That is food security in a bag. Now here is the crop that changes everything. Mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms on coffee grounds. 0 sunlight needed. Take a $5 kit or just use coffee grounds and cardboard. In 14 days you harvest gourmet mushrooms that sell for $16 a pound. You eat like a king and sell the rest for pure profit. People beg for homegrown mushrooms. Vertical gardening. Hang shoe organizers on walls, fill pockets with soil, plant lettuce, strawberries, herbs. 0 floor space. Looks cool. Produces hundreds of dollars of food. LED grow lights are now $20 and pay for themselves in 1 month of lettuce. South-facing window works fine for most things. Rainwater from a bucket if you are paranoid about tap water. Stop buying what you can grow. Every dollar you spend on seeds is an investment that multiplies 100 times. You gain freedom. You gain health. You gain wealth. Your kids learn where real food comes from. Your grocery bill drops by half in the first year. Type food freedom if you are starting today. Type windowsill warrior if you have no yard. I read every single comment. We are building the largest homegrown community on YouTube. Like this video right now. Share it with 1 person who is tired of high prices. Subscribe and hit the bell because next week I drop the underground food that survives anything, even winter with no heat. This is not a hobby. This is your revolution. Start today. Your future self is already eating that tomato and smiling. #SETHJTV.